Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome to the G2E 2014 conference. I'm your conscience for today, so if you can, please switch your mobile phones to silent or off so that the speakers and the other participants can have a good time of interaction. My name is Nat Wong. I'm the President of REIT Exhibitions Greater China. Again, a very warm welcome to one and all. This is the kickoff of our annual Global Markets Forum. It's a widely successful program that analyzes the hottest existing and emerging markets throughout Asia. Before I introduce our first session and moderator, I'm pleased to make a few announcements. Today's session will run approximately up to 5:15, so please no early happy hours at 4 o'clock, so 5:15 onwards, all right? And it will be delivered live in English, but translated simultaneously to Cantonese and Mandarin. If you prefer to listen to one of these languages, please just grab a headset from the people at the back and they'll set you up. Immediately following the first session will be our conference keynote address, given by Ms. Pansy Ho, who is the co-chair of MGM China. And this will take place on the stage right after the first session. Following Ms. Ho's speech, we will move to the G2E Asia show floor for the opening ceremony, which will take place on our main stage in Hall A, okay? And, but not to worry, our team will be there to guide you. After the opening ceremony, the show floor will be open, and we hope that everyone, aside from participating in the conference, will also take time to visit the exhibits on display. At 12 noon, you are all invited to attend a networking luncheon. This is for conference delegates, and it will be held at the Sicily Room 2401, just next door. Conference programming will resume thereafter at 1:15, and there will be an exciting session after that, after lunch, that will keep all of us awake. It is called The Rising Sun, and this covers the coveted market of Japan. So without any further ado, I'm pleased to introduce our first session today, and it's entitled Mass in Macau. It covers our host market and undeniably Asia's most exciting gaming capital. Leading this important discussion as moderator is Mr. Tim Craighead. He's the Director of Asian Research and Senior Gaming Analyst at Bloomberg. Tim specifically heads the Asian research for Bloomberg Industries, or otherwise known as BI, a new and dynamic platform for in-depth industry intelligence. The BI global team covers over 125 industries, including 40 with Asia-specific data and content. Some of the sectors covered include communications, consumer, energy, financials, healthcare, industrials, and technology. Tim brings with him 24 years of experience in investment research related businesses, having worked at firms such as Ketchum Creek Capital Management and Goldman Sachs. He earned his master's in business from the University of Chicago and his bachelor's in finance and economics from James Madison University, where he was valedictorian of his class. Tim, the floor is yours.
Thank you very much for the introduction. Very much appreciate it. And it is absolutely a pleasure to be here with everyone today. It's a very intriguing thing to hear a description of the Bloomberg Industries research platform, which you've now heard about, and I'm not going to belabor the points, but over in the exhibit hall, along with the gaming manufacturers and all the other exhibitors, there is a Bloomberg booth, and we're happy to have you come by and check things out and say hello at your convenience over the course of the next couple of days. The topic today, I think, is absolutely fascinating. The time to bring forward this topic and have a discussion is absolutely spot on and perfect. I'm going to get the clicker here, 1 second. G2E Asia, from our vantage point, has been an intriguing conference over the last couple of years, because clearly you need to understand the business, and whether it's the exhibitors, whether it's this conference that sheds light on sort of operational fundamental issues, it's super. But there's not been as much of, I guess, an investor participation as what we've seen in G2E in Las Vegas, and an opportunity to bring together a group of buy-side investors, sell-side analysts, and corporates to talk about a critical topic we think is an intriguing and quite timely issue. And it's particularly timely as we look at what's going on with the stocks. This is a chart that shows the Macau, 6 Macau operators and what's transpired on a year-to-date basis. Clearly, they've been under pressure and a bit of a roller coaster. And to put it into a little bit broader context, this is a chart that dates back a year, and you can see phenomenal second half in terms of stock performance. And you can see essentially a give back of almost half of that performance over the course of the last couple of months. Clearly a significant change. The double happiness concept of late last year has clearly gone away for the time being. The question that we can raise at this point is, have things changed? Is there a shift in the fundamental story?